Hello students, I am Shubhashish. Today we are going to learn comparing quantities using proportion. Dear children, money collection is being made for Flag Day and so far 32 out of 40 students in 7th standard and 42 out of 50 students from 8th standard class have contributed. Can any one of you say whose contribution is better? Yes, 32 out of 40 we can say 32 by 40 and 42 out of 50 we can say 42 by 50. Their corresponding fractions are 160 by 200 and 168 by 200 respectively. So class 8 students' contribution is better. Students, is there any other way to compare? Yes, percentages will help. Here 32 by 40 is equals to 32 by 40 into 100 is equals to 80% and 42 by 50 is equals to 42 by 50 into 100 is equals to 84%. Clearly, class 8 contribution is 4% more than 7th standard. Can any one of you say where the use of percentages is seen more? What you are thinking is right. Percentages are used in the calculation of profit, loss, discount, calculation of tax, example GST, interest on investment, growth in population and depreciation of machines and almost everywhere where comparison is made. Also, it is an easy tool which is helpful to compare values. These are the topics that we are going to see in this chapter using percentages. After the completion of this lesson, you will be able to know learning outcomes, to recall the concepts of percentage, to solve problems involving percentages, to solve applications of percentages in word problems, to know the application of percentages in real life, keywords from this lesson: percentage, decrease, increase, maximum, value, minimum value, profit, loss, quantity and income. Applications of percentage in word problems. We know that percent means per 100 or out of 100. It is denoted by the symbol percent. X percent denotes the fraction x by 100. It is very useful in comparing quantities easily. Let us see its uses in the following word problems. Example: if x% of 600 is 450, then find the value of x. Solution: given x% of 600 is equals to 450, which means x% is nothing but x by 100 into 600 is equals to 450. Cancelling the zeros, 6x is equals to 450, x is equals to 450 by 6, 6 times 750, 6 times 75 is 450, x equals to 75. Example: when a number is decreased by 25%, it becomes 120. Find the number. Solution: let the number be x. Given x minus 25 by 100 into x is equals to 120. 25% is written as 25 by 100. By taking LCM, we get 100x minus 25x by 100 is equals to 120. Hundred x minus 25x is 75x by 100 is equals to 120. Keep x left hand sides remaining on the right hand side and we get x equals to 120 into 100 by 75. Therefore, x is equals to 160. Example: Akila scored 80% of her marks in an examination. If her score was 576 marks, then find the maximum marks for the examination. Solution: let the maximum marks be x. Now 80% of x is equals to 576. Which is nothing but 80 by 100 into x is equals to 576. X equals to, transposing 80 by 100 to the right hand side, it becomes 576 into 100 by 80. 0 and 0 cancels. 8 divided by 576. Let's see the division of 8 and 576. 8 sevens are 56. Bringing the 6 down, and we have 8 twos are 16. Eight times 72 is 576. X equals to 72 into 10. X equals to 720. Therefore, 720 marks. Therefore, the maximum marks for the examination are 720. Note: for any given number, when it is increased first by x% and then decreased by y%, then the value of the number is increased or decreased by x plus y plus of xy by 100%. Use the negative sign for decrease and also assume decrease if the sign is negative. Example: if the difference between 75% of a number and 60% of the same number is 82.5, then find 20% of that number. Solution: given that 75% of the number is less than 60% of the number is 82.5. Let the number be x. Therefore, 75 by 100, which is nothing but 75%, into x minus 60% written as 60 by 100 into x is equals to 82.5. (75 by 100) is written in the decimal form 0.75. 0.75x minus, in the same way we have 60 by 100 also written as 0.60x equals to 82.5. Subtracting 0.15x is equals to 82.5. X is equals to 82.5 by 0.15. Let's make it simpler. By taking out the decimals, we get 8250 by 15. 15 times 550 is 8250. An important note: 82.5 by 0.15. To take the decimals out, we multiply 100 by 100, and that's how we get 8250 by 15. Required to find 20% of the number, that is 20% of x, which means 20% of x is 20 by 100 into x is equals to 20 by 100 into x. We have already found out. Let's replace the value to 550, and the final answer is 110. Example: a number when increased by 18% gives 236. Find the number. Solution: let the number be x. Given that when it is increased by 18%, we get 236. X plus 18 by 100 of x is equals to 236. (100x plus 18x by 100 is equals to 236. 100x plus 18x is 118x by 100 equals to 236. The number x equals to 236 into 100 by 180. (118 times 2 is 236. Therefore, x is equals to 200. Points to remember: percent means per 100 or out of 100. It is denoted by the symbol percent. X percent denotes the fraction x by 100. Quantity A and then decrease that quantity by x percent, we will get the decreased quantity as d is equals to 1 minus x by 100 of a. If we start with the quantity a and then increase the quantity by x%, we'll get the increased quantity as I is equals to 1 plus x by 100 of a. For any given number, when it is increased first by x% and then decreased by y%, then the value of the number is increased or decreased by x plus y plus of xy by 100%. Use the negative sign for decrease and also assume decrease if the sign is negative. Thanks for watching.